What's up guys, in today's video I'll show you how to change your pricing in VRBO. So first things is you log into your VRBO account and then we shall go here to calendar. Alright, so once you're here you are going to see that the price is a little bit unreasonable. So what we are going to do, we shall go here to settings, then I'll go to base rates and discounts. So from here you can put the amount per night, let's say 68, and then for weekly discounts we can give it a discount of 5%, and then monthly discount we can give it a discount of 10%, and then you can see there is a 20% off the first 3 bookings discount. So because of this 20%, let's add the price a little bit to maybe 72. Let's say 70. And then after I'll click here and save. So now the pricing is saved. So here you can set your booking requirements. Minimum 1 night. Some people don't want 1 night. So you can add here if you want 2 nights, you just add. And then booking window, how should people book? 1 day or 12 months apart. And then the fees, if you have any other fees that you want to add, for example, cleaning fees, you can add there, pet fee, you can add there, additional guest fees, you can add there if you want to. And then taxes, so you can say collect tax per person per night, or collect tax, that is percentage of the rental amount collected during booking. Or you can choose do not include taxes, depending on where you're from. Then there is damage protection. So here you can put your property damage protection here, and then you put the amount, or damage deposit, you put the amount there. So payment terms, you can choose how you want your guests to pay. You can put two installments, and then put the amount, maybe 50% of the first payment, and then the second payment is 50%, and then you can save. This is ideal. Days before check-in, you can just put 4 days before check-in and then click on save. So basically that is how you can play around with your calendar settings in VRBO. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.